Welcome to my channel, English Learn Kids. Today we will learn about kitchen vocabulary. Apron. This is apron. Blender. This is blender. Bottle. This is bottle. Corkscrew. This is corkscrew. Bowl. This is bowl. Bottle opener. This is bottle opener. Knife. This is knife. Butter knife. This is butter knife. Cake slicer. This is cake slicer. Chopsticks. This is chopsticks. Colander. This is colander. Juicer. This is juicer. Microwave. This is microwave. Cup. This is cup. Cutlery. This is cutlery. Cutting board. This is cutting board. Mixer. This is mixer. Funnel. This is funnel. Dish rack. This is dish rack. Egg slicer. This is egg slicer. Deep fryer. This is deep fryer. Garlic press. This is garlic press. Kitchen paper. This is kitchen paper. Gas stove. This is gas stove. Jar. This is jar. Fork. This is fork. Knife set. This is knife set. Cleaver. This is cleaver. Kitchen towel. This is kitchen towel. Jug. This is jug. Kettle. This is kettle. Oven gloves. This is oven gloves. Lemon squeezer. This is lemon squeezer. Matchbox. This is matchbox. Measuring cup. This is measuring cup. Pan. This is pan. Ladle. This is ladle. Perforated spoon. This is perforated spoon. Spatula. This is spatula. Whisk. This is whisk. Sieve. This is sieve. Peeler. This is peeler. Rolling pin. This is rolling pin. Toaster. This is toaster. Dishwasher. This is dishwasher. Scales. This is scales. Sponge. This is sponge. Fire extinguisher. This is fire extinguisher. Glass. This is glass.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.